Big up everybody who check in. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Now with this scandal will take place with the Prime Minister. And of course, as the people say, it passed no look good. Some people also say, oh, they know you're nothing about the Prime Minister's wife. Some people they believe say the Prime Minister's wife was the head of their family's company. When it seems as if the Prime Minister's wife name is clear. And the Integrity Commission will find some fault with the Prime Minister himself. Now this of all people look deeper into other things that take place. Like why the government chose to bail out SSL. A company where them seemingly never have nothing to do with. And with the amount of millions or billions the SSL owe, why the government took it upon themselves to help out only that specific company. May I continue with the media say, and they will continue reasoning. Of course, I want to look. I want to listen.
Dirty frozen blood clot, you know. When you come up, you come promise every blood clot by the road. All now, you can't blood clot the road yet. When you get Ginger House Road, when you get up a castle, everywhere have road. Bellevue on the road. Go over here, so. I sat Buchanan for East Portland. Round them have a lot to do with cartel being a road. Una did know say the Maroon and the PNP then join hands right here now because the Labour right them a fight the blood clot Maroon them. We will own the land. Them a try to take away everything from our way. Maroons never tell you something what they never want to tell you. This is why Andrew Holness don't want to tell you. You see if you have no Maroon papers or no Maroon ID, not even know the embassy you no pay if you go get one visa. Me I tell you that straight because I own the real natives of this land. You feel like me I deal with? I work when we start I work with the Maroon them and I work with the real Maroon government so we can get real upliftment and real help boy. Because the Queen no they are so help we then they are so help themselves. And when they don't help themselves, you see what they do? Left the country and gone. Say I with the power own now. I better the whole of we go on over there. Make sure so we get the Maroon documentation. Let them know so we are real Maroon and work with the Maroon order because you know, realize this is order, the Queen's order where we are working under from. We broke. We broke our hungry. We broke our hungry like a dog. And the Maroon government, the whole of we don't get blood clot visa and a fly already and we not even did know that. No for no know say even under Maroon government right now we can go to the embassy. I want to get far. Actually, I don't even know about man. So you see one time I see Vibes Cartel go up on the stage.
Fresh
I say I
drop.
represent for PNP. Bro, God pack your bomb clock back them. You and the whole I don't know where thief up do much in million. All the stimulus money. Where IMF go no. I don't know give Jamaican people them none of the money. They don't go thing on take the money and do was keep big party and buy big blood clot in your house and lift up. And that's all the people then get out of the money. Pack your back them. Because you see, East Portland, I said Buchanan I go win over you. I mean, I ask you. Look on the road out there, so I'm going to post you when time I done by Instagram and TikTok. Look on how much in the years. When I feel left. When I feel left, East Portland done with you. Vaz.
Now, at the first, we are see the Prime Minister so out of favor with the people. Of course, supporters still are supporting. Supporters still are say, there is still no hard proof of any wrongdoing on the Prime Minister's part. Some people are saying because being an elected official, especially during a time when you seek re-election for both the administration itself, how you are viewed by the people is very, very important. And the fact that for months now, the opposition has been saying, declare assets. The opposition leader went as far as to say, this is how much money he make for the year, and challenged the Prime Minister to tell me how much money he make for the year. And most people did interpret that as basically the opposition wasn't saying that the Prime Minister did anything wrong. He was saying that if the people was aware of how much money the Prime Minister made, then would have looked upon him different. Just simply that. That is our perspective, that is our character, that is how you being viewed by the public is important to a politician. And never that, Mark Golding never make a bag of money neither. But indeed I say, I think Mark Golding involved in a real estate. And I think the Prime Minister is also in some way involved in real estate. I think them construct, you don't know them do what them do. But him probably did know say them are the whole more business than him. And they must say, yo, they must make whole more money than him. Which most people, we don't really know what going on and how elected officials really make them money. We know them rich, so they must invest in something. We know them have business that we don't know about, but we don't really know. But the opposition leader was saying that based on how much money, even that assume at the time, the Prime Minister made, him feel like people that deal away. Now you have people that say, Vibes Cartel now, and his support for a particular party. And if he should be nominated to represent any particular constituency, people in the media say, yo, they made a vote. Yeah, you have some people that say they never vote yet. But if Vibes Cartel are run PNP, they must say they made a vote. They must say just to make sure, say, Vibes Cartel win the constituency people that vote, and if they're not live which prime live, they will make sure them vote for him party. The party where he's a part of. It's serious. The Maroons, one of their leaders, I say, yo, him feel like say one administration is better fit to lead. And having that support overall, Peter McCall, the First Nation of the Jamaican Island, having their support is big. Unless another chief from another Maroon settlement I go support the government in power now, them type of endorsement I will see the opposition I get. We don't see how in this day and age where media and perception, remember in the recent general election they made up a whole heap of dub plate from entertainers. Why you feel like them do that? An endorsement. It's called celebrity endorsement. Now with the Maroon chief, Vibes Cartel, not that they are the only celebrities on the Jamaican island, but combined, this is a celebrity endorsement from multiple avenues. No doubt, when general elections start, you're going to see celebrities and entertainers from all different walks of life and support different parties. But no doubt that. You have celebrities from different constituencies, different places on the Jamaican island. You have celebrities who already have good connections with elected officials. Truth be told. So they're not going to put them support where their support has always been. But with what take place right now, some people are saying this scandal, it don't look good, and it make people look for all different type of things. Just a speculate. Just a think this, I think that, I said this, I said that. But surprising though, just few months ago, the Prime Minister was leading in the polls. Some people said them interested to see what a poll would say right now with the opposition and the opposition leader and the government and the leader and the Prime Minister. Who do you think would be leading in the polls if a poll was conducted now? With what going on right now? Well, talk to me in the comment section. To date, all the Integrity Commission has done is brought their findings to the media. Them can't tell you concrete what the Prime Minister has done. I guess they must have do it for the people. Look on the Prime Minister away. But tell me what you think. Some people say them still support the Prime Minister. And general election time, them still vote for him. Opposition say them stronger than ever now. And now them even more sure that them are going to win the general election when it's called. Talk to me in the comment section. Until the reason again, of course, my sentiments for you and yours are for to live, love and prosper, and also for to stay tuned until the reason again. You know the sentiments.